all you have to do to use it is put it on, select the date or time period, and it'll take you there in 3 seconds, just like that.
This device can make you travel so far back in time that you'll be able to see dinosaurs.
This is my helper Bob. He will be putting on the buckle and demonstrating how it works. Sir Bob, would you mind putting on the buckle and showing the audience how it works?
You just select a date and whoosh, you're there.
Wait, that is a circle. That one's really hungry.
But there are a few side effects.
Which are not limited to stomach pain,
Oh.
nausea, weakness in the bones, and dry eyes. Come by now at 561-224-now.com.
Eat salt separately.